live. This is what we do on days that we don't have money.
Fuck you.
Tell them how we spend our days with them.
We don't fucking do fucking shit. Fucking sit around looking at fucking stupid fucking YouTube videos. That's what the fuck we do.
Okay. Just excuse him. He's kind of frustrated right now. He's hungry. But that's how he gets when he's hungry. He's not like that all the time, so I don't want you to think that he's, abusive or verbally abusive. He's just like that because he's literally like hungry, like he needs food. This is the kind of stuff I have to put up with being with the person that just really loves food and if it's not around it or near it at the time that it's needed, he gets real frustrated. So
Fuck off! Fucking feed me, man.
He's yelping actually places to I don't think you can see. He's actually yelping places to eat. He doesn't he doesn't really believe in putting energy into making the food. His thing is actually just buying it and having it ready right away so he can start eating rather than waiting for it to get done cooking and waiting for it to be put on a plate and served to him to eat. He doesn't want to waste. He believes it's wasting time doing so. So he eats probably, I want to say, 4 times a day out, and when he is eating at home, it's just potato chips, Ruffles to be exact. So that's his snack of choice for the house. He has that with lemon and tapatio. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but if you're not, give it a try because you will, I believe, enjoy it and get hooked on it. But that's his snack choice for home. If he does eat anything from home, it's actually from a bag that you buy from a store. So it isn't homemade. But yeah, that's just the kind of person he is. He was never like that, like when I met him. But I'm telling you, ladies, as soon as you say I do, the real them come out. And it's been like that ever since. He just doesn't. Maybe it's just my cooking. Maybe it's something that I do wrong.
Tastes like shit.
Honey, you don't need to yell, but just repeat what you just said. It's okay.
Her food tastes like shit.
Okay, and he's told me that not just one time, but several times. So I don't really like seeing him upset over food that I've tried to make him, so I just I don't do it anymore. And like for the fact that he doesn't eat it, it's just better that I don't waste my time and money on ingredients. But yeah, so that's why he prefers to eat out or to pick up or to have something delivered to the house so he can eat. So so that's what we're doing right now. That's what he's doing. I never get to pick what I want to eat. The only time that I get to do that is if I'm actually out alone and he's at work for whatever, or out somewhere for whatever reason. I'll get to choose without him. But if we're together, I never get to pick what I want. Regardless, if it's something that I've been craving, something that's been on my mind, for weeks or months at a time, I don't ever suggest anything because it really triggers him. So it's whatever he chooses is what I'll eat. I just pick what I prefer to eat from wherever he chooses to eat from. So, but I will get back to you and we'll see what it was that we decide to have for dinner. So stay tuned. Bye.